The lineage of Boro dates back to the 18th to 20th centuries. Boro is the tattered clothing made of rewoven fabric or many patches repaired together by mending over and over again. During the Edo-Meiji Period, traditionally Boro was worn by peasants. Silk was restricted to the more privileged class, and the farmers had only limited access to hemp and cotton fabric. Depending on the region they were in, some material they were able to grow and others they would acquire through trade. Materials were scarce at that time, so farmers would only use what came available to them. Often they would collect scrap fabric and use them for patching and repair work for worn-out clothing and textile. The garment they use would then be repaired, recycled, and reused over and over. Often it would then be passed on to the next generation. The unintentional necessity had created the wonderful textile aesthetic of Boro. The beauty of Japanese Boro garment could be found in futon covers, noragi workwear, and other household textile items. These practical objects are nowadays recognized as art forms. They symbolize the spirit of unobi, which stands for the fine balance between functionality and aesthetic of an object made by a craftsman. Furthermore, to truly admire Boro is to appreciate the concept of wabi-sabi, which is the acceptance of uncertainty and imperfection. In the other word, it is the concept of one accepting and acknowledging that beauty can also come in the form of imperfection, impermanent, and incomplete within the nature of things. When I look at Boro and spend time reading about the history of Japanese textile, it brings about within me a sense of peaceful melancholy and spiritual longing. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm looking forward to make more video about Japanese folk textile in the near future. Bye for now. See you next time.